So we're gonna try and film the truck today. Tornadoes and stuff coming on. Don't let me mess up one of these wheels or what?
You'll pay for it. Oh, yes!
Sure. Oh!
Sorry, it pops back in, dude.
We're breaking trucks out here today. Let's get this bread. We finished filming the truck right as the rain started. Okay, I'm doing it. Give me a hug.
First hug on the channel.
Starting the day off, hopefully my camera don't fall. Look, I've been having focus issues with the camera here. Let me. Big strong man.
Big strong man.
Not me. Not with them back issues. Zach and his buddy, what's Buddy's name? What is your name? Matt. Sorry. I didn't mean to call you Buddy. Zach and Matt have driven all the way from West Virginia this morning. What time were y'all here this morning?
4:30 this morning.
4:30 this morning, these guys were sitting in the parking lot. I have proof because he tagged me in a video that I'm gonna repost on Instagram.
Yes.
And they drove all the way from West Virginia this morning to get some wheels and tires mounted. And I just want to show love to Zach in the video for coming all this way.
Absolutely.
Just to get a set of wheels and tires. We're gonna do a lift kit for him, but the lift kit didn't come in time. So if he brings it back, we will have this moment to look back on. But he's got some beautiful 2616s that y'all have seen already that are getting loaded up into the back of the F-250. You getting an 8-inch lift?
Yes, sir.
8-inch.
Custom powdered, illusion raspberry.
The color's beautiful. Hopefully, even if we don't build it, he'll send me some videos and some clips of it so we can throw in a video at some point. But 2616 Fittipaldi. Shout out to Greg from Fittipaldi. Nicest guy I've ever met.
Yes.
I say that about everybody, but Greg's a super cool guy. Saw him at Atlanta Truck Invasion this past weekend. That video will be dropping soon. So I just want to show love to Zach in the video one time so we can have this moment. We've got some cool builds coming at the end of the video. Guy from Nashville is coming to get a new body style GMC or Chevy built. One of the quintessential builds up there. So.
For sure.
Oh!
Sorry, it pops back in, dude.
We're breaking trucks out here today. Let's get this bread. First and only set of Fittipaldis I've ever sold.
Really?
Yep. Never sold a set. Nope. And
display and spark somebody's interest.
I love these too. I really do. And the 405 from Nita, or not Nita, geez. For the 405s from Furies.
Yes.
I might have to do 26s after seeing it.
Looks sick on the silver on it.
Ooh, blue color.
The blue's the faceplate color.
Okay, so this is Illusion Raspberry. The hitch has already been done that color, just to give you guys an idea of what the color will be. And it's got like an island blue faceplate that's going on it. You're gonna have to send me some videos because that's a color combo I don't think I've ever seen before.
We try to go crazy with it, stand out, be different.
That's gonna look good on the black truck with the polished wheels. Sexy. Our green Chevy was back up here today for us to put some amp steps on. If you guys haven't seen this truck, just filmed a video of this the other day. It's a matte lime green or matte neon green wrapped 2023 Chevy 1500 on a 12-inch all chrome FTS lift. One of the only ways that I think FTS is ever going to be better than McGaughy's is that all chrome. Got the chrome uppers, chrome front cross member, chrome box compression bars, and the chrome rear traction bars to match with a 30x16 JTX on 42s. Craziest color truck I think I've ever seen come through the shop. We've got Rob with the blue truck. We've got a couple red ones that come through, but that green is just crazy, and I always got to throw it in the video anytime it's up here at the shop. Jonathan did something to me last week, and seems to be that he likes to give all of us at the shop a hard time every day, but then again, it is a tire shop and we give each other a hard time all day long. We always got to one up each other. So Brandon had the good idea to grab John's Mazda or Tribute or whatever the hell it is, park it out front of the shop, and he's gonna put a for sale sign on it with his phone number, and we'll see how many calls he gets before the end of the day. I see Jake in the office laughing. So we're out front, in front of the shop, and Brandon's put the for sale sign on his truck. That's A1 level content right there. With his phone number too. Make sure you guys give John a call if you guys would like to purchase the Mazda. Mint condition. Mint condition. We got this customer in the shop. walking over here that just left John a voicemail wondering if he was interested in selling the Mazda Tribute out front. We should see how many people before the end of the day we can get to call and leave him a voicemail about his Mazda. We should have done it first thing in the morning.
You have his number in your phone so we can verify that it's
Shot. Look, somebody's getting out to look at it.
I told you,
Oh, he's actually looking. That's hilarious, bro.
He's grabbing a number.
John's definitely about to get a call.
He's grabbing that number.
Well, he's writing the number down.
Jesus Christ.
That's the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life.
It's over, John.
It's over, John. You're screwed, buddy.
I guess this is payback.
If this was payback, you did good. Because I already got 20 missed calls.
This wasn't my idea, though. This was Brandon's idea.
20
You
missed
already have
calls?
20 missed calls?
Look.
That's great.
1,
Oh, wow.
2, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, wow. This is great.
I mean, like, hey, no trespassing.
Well, unfortunately, you're not going to get a call back, sir. I'm sorry. I'm here a little early this morning. We got a truck coming in from Nashville today, which is pretty cool. And we got a little Chick-fil-A. Yeah, you right. Tyler, I'm a little upset that you're not here to drop your truck off, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What?
Oh, it's too early for the camera.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on.
We're going to Columbia.
Columbia?
Okay.
Leonard wants to go to Columbia.
Yes, I did.
You want the keys to this box over here?
For what?
We're putting a lift kit on it.
Nah, I'm not.
This is Tyler's from Nashville, and he's dropping his truck off today.
Bro, it was about time. He's missed like 4 appointments.
His sweet peach of a dad drove all the way down here this morning to drop the truck off to us. Getting a McGaughy's kit and some 26s. We're building dreams out here, Leonard.
Yeah, well, we can't build trees when they don't show up.
Yeah, you got a good point. You got a good point. It's all right, Tyler. We love you.
Build it, they will come. But
You build it and they will come?
yeah, but they don't.
But if they don't come, you can't build it. Look, I'm excited though because we haven't done a dark blue color like this in a long time. It's getting a 9-inch McGaughy's with the upper control arms. We're not doing any traction bars this time, but it's getting some 2614 KG1s. The Bender, KG1 Bender, one of my favorite cuts, and some 38-inch Furies. It's gonna be a good one. I'm excited. Let's get this bread. Bro, what is meat doing? Is it touch? John, hurry up so you can go to McDonald's. McDonald's today for lunch. All right. That's Jack. I'm not one of these 26s. In the Jordan, baby. In the Jordan. Y'all want to see me work out here a little bit. Gonna work a little bit. Gonna mess my back up doing it, you know? You gonna let me mess up one of these wheels or what?
You'll pay for it. Oh, he's strong. He is strong.
So you gotta, how does it sit down on that? I ain't never used this machine before.
You're good.
Am I good?
It's in there.
Is it in there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we in there! I feel like this will fall or like hit the wheel and break it or something.
Yeah, you have to be careful. That piece does fall out. So if the wheel's facing upwards, you can scratch it
Does it
for
drop
sure.
down? Okay,
Yeah, you gotta drop it down, twist it in. Go back up, twist it in. Yeah, now it's in.
Is it?
Alex, what the do you want from McDonald's? You need to tell John, right?
John already knows my order. Do you trust yourself?
I'm just watching you.
Bro, we gonna get it done today, right?
You get.
John will pick my trash up later.
You get. Yeah, when them young on that.
Spread that thing up one time.
For the one time.
For the one time.
Alright, you got my order, man. Let me know how much that is. Come on, man, put date code out. Put the date
Hey,
code
make sure your sensor's in the correct place so you won't break it.
God.
No more bread gang. It's sensor breakers.
The pedal. There we go.
Got right. How do we get all this out of the way? I feel like it's in the way.
No, it's not in the way.
Huh?
You scoot it out though. You can scoot it out.
What, this?
Button on
Yeah,
the side.
you can-
Button on the side.
You said DOT out?
Date code out, yes sir.
Line down.
They cut out?
That's not right.
No?
They cut it out.
What you mean?
Where's date code? Yeah, date code's out.
No, that's in.
No, he's good. You got it right. You got it right.
Come on now.
You got it right. Show that thing in there.
Come on, man.
Oh yeah.
Broke the sensor.
We break the sensor?
No.
No.
Alex, we need that card, bro.
Huh?
We need that card.
Bro, I'm trying to work over here, bro.
We're trying to eat.
Bro,
It's like I'm watching a professional.
bro, I'm trying to work, bro.
He knows what he's doing. Professional right here.
I don't know these controls.
You got this. I believe in you.
Just sit on the wheel like that?
Yeah, you just got to sit on the wheel.
Like that?
Watching this hard man work.
Come on now. Like that?
You gonna need this too.
Working? He ain't working over here. What?
I don't see Jake doing this. Oh, you didn't put it down far enough. Go back, go back. You ain't gotta go back a lot, just a little bit. Lift that tool head. All right, you good there? Yep, you good there. Oh, go down on the tool head. There you go. Better than you. He's doing it better than you.
Hey, he's struggling.
Nah.
Machine's automated, bro. It put it on by itself.
Nah,
Yeah,
that's
you
what I'm
right.
talking about.
Yeah, you right. Yeah, you right. Wrong way, wrong way. All right. Tighten that thing on too much, you know? This is the hardest part.
Push down. Twist. Push down and twist.
You ready?
Oh, yes. That's what I'm talking about. Looking good.
Y'all can do the rest. Y'all can do the rest. How you doing that? Bro, give John your card so we can eat. All right.
I appreciate it.
Come on, dude. I'm hungry. Jose, what are you doing?
Hey, look though. Best lift kit on the game.
Putting stickers all under his truck. Oh, there he is. He's pulling up right now. He's gonna pull up behind me. So look, all over the southeast right now, there's tornadoes coming through Tennessee, like Nashville area. The truck was done yesterday and the customer didn't want to drive through the tornadoes last night, so he left it here until this morning. Jake just went and picked him up at the hotel. And there's tornadoes and stuff coming all through North Carolina as well. Truck pulling up behind me. So we're gonna try and film the truck today. It is very dark outside and very nasty outside. The rain has not started yet. We're gonna try and film the truck for you guys before the tornado inevitably comes through. That truck sounds really good too. I think Tyler's gonna be a little upset that I think dad-in-law or dad, one of the two, is here to drive the truck and he's gonna drive the truck home before him. But I love the way that this truck turned out. John, what are you doing? Hey, come here. What do you think of the truck? Come here, come on this side. Stop being scared, bro. What do you think of the truck? You like it?
Me and Corbin tag team.
John was upset with me yesterday because I mounted one of the wheels faster than he did the whole lift kit.
I guarantee you don't know how to do it out of it. You would have.
John's trash.
You probably would have shot yourself in the face with that at least.
There's a lot of things up here I don't do because I'm terrible at them. This is why John and Leonard and Corbin and the guys out back are the best, because the truck would not drive out of here if it was up to me to put the lift kit on. Isn't that right? John's trash. John likes to bring me sweet tea at lunch with no ice in it. Bummer. Can I put you in the video?
I already told him.
Is he gonna be in the video?
Yeah.
I gotta rub it in Tyler's face.
Oh,
Go, yeah.
let's see, I'm on the muffler thing. Now, does any of the other part of the muffler need to be tightened?
No, everything's good except that piece is
Just
missing.
that one piece.
Yeah.
Gotta be.
And I went over it with Tyler already.
Is it custom exhaust on the truck?
It's like Borla, like bolt-in kit.
Anyway, we had to take off a piece of the exhaust. His exhaust sounds really good. Are you his
Father-in-law?
Father.
actual dad? Oh, this is even better. This is even better. Carl is here, and I'm rubbing it in Tyler's face because Tyler could not be here. That's really what I'm doing. Carl is here, Tyler's dad. Hi, Tyler. To pick the truck up and drive the truck home, and he will forever be the first one to drive your truck before you get it back. And it's just an amazing moment. All the way from Nashville, and we love Carl and Tyler for bringing the truck to us and letting us build it. We always appreciate you guys from coming from so far away, spending time, spending money. These are the moments that I live for. I woke up this morning so excited to do this, you have no idea. And it just puts such a big smile on my face that I get to just kind of rub it in Tyler's face a little bit, even though I love you so much. So we did the 9-inch McGaughy's kit. Love the McGaughy's kit. Gloss black lift kit with the billet accent pieces. You guys know it's our favorite up here at the shop, and for very good reason. It looks the best, rides the best, easy install. It's the best kit straight out of the box for a truck like this. We did upgrade the upper control arms as well, so he's got the upper control arms to match, and then they do come with the accent pieces on the box upper control arms. I think my favorite part of the build though, I say this about every wheel, I feel like every KG1 wheel that comes here, I just really love KG1 wheels. The 2614 benders is, again, one of my favorite cuts on a KG1 wheel. It's one of their newer, well, I say newer designs, it's probably a year old.
You're getting old.
I'm getting old, yeah. They're getting old, I'm getting old. It is what it is. I went to Top Golf last night and I didn't golf because I knew my back would be hurting afterwards. So I'm getting up there in age a little bit. But the 2614s with the chrome spike lug nuts, absolutely beautiful. Let me know in the comment. Me and Jake were going back and forth about this. 38, 13, 50, 26. Do you guys like a 37 or you guys like a 38 on these wheels? I feel like I'm not biased. I like both. Jake's definitely more of a fan of the skinnier profile, which I agree. The 37s look good, whether a 1350 or 1450, and the 38s have a little bit thicker of a sidewall. Obviously, let me know in the comments. Are you guys feeling more the 38 vibe when we do these builds, or are you liking the 37s? I'm kind of curious to know because we go back and forth. So all these trucks got to get trimmed a little bit. We touch it up with the door trim up front. The beautiful blue color, I'm a fan because we don't get to do blue as much, so I was pretty excited. Every now and then I'll ask customers when they bring it, what color's your truck, so I can kind of get a mental note of what we're building beforehand, and I was kind of excited when he told me that it was blue. But 26s, 38s. Tyler was so adamant that the truck was done same day, and we did pull through. The truck was done about 5 o'clock yesterday, but like I said previously in the clip, we're trying to miss some weather, and I feel like the bad weather came through last night, and then it circled back around, and it's about to hit us again tonight or during the day. So I appreciate Carl. Carl, come here. Give me a hug. I don't care, I'm doing it. Give me a hug.
First hug on the channel.
First, is that a first?
I think so.
Carl, I love you. Tyler, I love you. You guys are so amazing. Thank you guys for coming and being a part of the experience. I love y'all. Let's get this bread, baby. Yeah. We finished filming the truck right as the rain started, and I came outside just to show you. Subscribe, like and subscribe.
That's what I'm talking about.